Have you ever found yourself lying in bed, desperate for silence, but all you can hear is that relentless ringing in your ears? If you nodded yes, you know just how exhausting tinnitus can be. For me, it's that constant buzz or whine that makes even quiet moments feel chaotic. Now imagine if you could hit mute on that noise and finally get a break. That's what Zenotone promises, a chance at real relief, using an all-natural formula designed to target the root of the problem. Here's the deal. Zenotone isn't just another quick fix or magic pill. It's a maximum strength supplement that supports your ear health from the inside out. Made with a blend of science-backed ingredients, it's crafted to nourish those delicate ear cells and protect your inner ear from further damage. So, what's actually in Zenotone? Ingredients like garlic extract, hawthorn berry, hibiscus, and B vitamins. Each one plays a crucial role in supporting healthy circulation, reducing inflammation, and feeding your ear cells the nutrients they need. Think of it as a little boost for your ears. Kind of like how you fuel your body with good food, Zenotone gives your ears what they're craving. I've seen so many reviews, over 900 in fact, where people say Zenotone helped reduce their ringing, buzzing, and other frustrating tinnitus symptoms. Some even mention clearer, more undistorted hearing. Imagine being able to focus on a conversation, enjoy your favorite music, or just appreciate the silence again. And here's what I love. Zenotone is all natural, so you're not loading your body with harsh chemicals or artificial stuff. It's a gentle, daily support system that fits into your wellness routine. But, a quick reminder, I'm not a doctor, and supplements aren't a replacement for professional medical advice. Always talk with your healthcare provider before starting anything new, especially if you're on medication or have existing conditions. So if you're ready to take a step toward clearer, more peaceful hearing, Zenotone might be worth a shot. Imagine what life could feel like with less ringing, more clarity, and the confidence to enjoy every moment without distraction. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description. Take care of your ears. They're with you for life. Thanks for watching, and here's to finding your much-needed peace and quiet.